Hello dear friends, in this video you're gonna get the ultimate solution to remove your Kinemaster Watermark, and that too totally free. So without further ado, let's get started. Just before entering into your Kinemaster project, you gotta remember two very important things. First, click on create new project. I told you before that if you're making a long video, you gotta select 16:9 ratio. But if you wanna remove the Kinemaster Watermark totally free, instead of selecting this 16:9 ratio, you should select the loss ratio. And in case of YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos or Instagram Reels, I told you before that you should select 9:16 ratio. But to remove the Kinemaster Watermark, you gotta select 1:1 ratio instead of 9:16 ratio. And here in this video, I'm gonna make a long video, so instead of selecting 16:9 ratio, I gotta select the last one, I mean this one. And now import your video clips. For example, this one. So in this video, I'm not gonna do any more editing here, so I'm gonna export this video like this. So to export this video, just click on this export button at the top right corner. Again, you gotta do a little bit settings here. First, the video resolution should be selected as 1080 pixel resolution, and the frame rate should be selected as 30. And now click on save as video at the bottom right corner. And then you will see this interface. Just click on skip at the top right corner. Just wait for a few seconds to get this video exported completely. Now after exporting the video in Kinemaster, now go to Play Store, and now from Play Store download another video editing application, which is UCut Video Editor. So install this video editor on your phone, and now let's go back. Now open the UCut Video Editor. Now look at the bottom, you'll see a plus icon here, so click on it. Now select the video which was exported from Kinemaster, and now at the bottom right corner, click on this right arrow icon. Now the video is imported. Now what to do? Look at the bottom tools, scroll left a little bit, and you'll see a busy option here. Busy means background, so click on it. And here, as you are making a long video, so you gotta select 16:9 ratio. And now click on this tick mark. And now click on the video clip and zoom in it a little bit like this. And after doing all the editings, you can export this video. Now to export this video, just click on the save button at the top right corner. Select the video resolution 1080 pixel. The frame rate should be selected 30, and the quality should be selected as high. And after doing all these settings, just click on save and your video will be exported. And I hope the video will help you in removing the Kinemaster Watermark totally free. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.